This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. Begin with focused Python practice and small projects. Implement simple scripts to load and inspect CSVs. At the same time, review linear algebra and basic probability because models rely on those concepts. Once comfortable, create a virtual environment, install NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and open a Jupyter notebook. Make sure to clone a sample repo and run a basic pipeline so you have a reproducible workspace to iterate from. Next, move into the complex middle steps by constructing a clear pipeline. Clean and preprocess data, engineer features, and split into train/validation/test sets. This prevents leakage. Train simple baseline models first to set expectations, then incrementally add complexity like regularization or ensemble methods. Use cross-validation and metrics aligned to your goal. For example, ROC/AUC for classification or mean absolute error for regression. Once done, log experiments, compare runs, and prioritize improvements based on validation performance rather than intuition alone. Finally, prepare to deploy and maintain your model in production. Export a portable artifact, wrap it in a simple API using Flask or Fast API, containerize with Docker, and add automated tests and CI/CD for reproducible deployments. Monitor latency, accuracy, and data drift once live, and collect feedback to retrain when necessary. If things go wrong, start by checking input schema mismatches and data drift. Then inspect for overfitting, missing preprocessing steps, or resource constraints. Resolve the root cause before patching around symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.